school number 53. I am Sharapova Shahnaza. Let's begin our online lesson. Hello, my dear pupils. How are you today? How do you spend your free time? You are very good. You are okay today, yes? Oh, my dears. You are stupid, yes? Okay, if you're very good, your mood is very good. Let's begin our lesson. We are going to speak sweet home. Look at the picture, my dears. This home, yes, with gardens and with any flowers, yes? Okay, my dears. The aims of the lesson: to improve reading, writing, and speaking. Pupils will repeat new words which they best set. To teach pupils to asking. Open your books on page 185. Exercise 1. Look at the picture, read or listen to the text and answer the questions. Please, my dears, look at the picture. This is my garden. The garden is big. It is beautiful. There are many apple trees. The trees are green. They are tall. There are many birds in the garden. They usually sit in the trees. There aren't any frogs in my garden because there isn't a lake. There is one pine in the garden and there are many flowers. The flowers are red. They are nice. I love my garden. Well done, my pupils. Are there birds in Uncle's garden? Yes, there are. Are the birds small? Please write your copybooks, my dears. Please write these questions and answer this. Please, my dears, write. Are the birds small? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, the birds are small, yes? Okay, my dears. Are there any flowers in Uncle's garden? Yes, there are. Are the flowers yellow? No, there are, yes. The flowers are red, yes. Okay, my dears. The flowers are red, no yellow, yes. Is there a pine in Uncle's garden? Yes, there is. Is it tall? Yes, it is. It is, yes. Yes, it is. Please write, please, my dears. Is there a river in Uncle's garden? No, there is. Yes. No, there is. Please write your copybooks. Write, please, my dears. Write, please. Okay. Next exercise 2 on page 186. Look at the picture. Finish the sentence. Please read, please, with me, my dears. The flowers are nice. They are beautiful. Yes. Oh, they are. What color is it, these flowers, my dears? They are purple, yes. Okay, there are 2 frogs. The fish is black and small, yes. The cat is orange. It is very. We must continue these words, my dears. Please finish the sentence and write your copybooks. Write down, my dears. Are you right? Okay. Well done, my dears. Very good today. Please look at these poems. At my house. We must learn by heart these poems. At my house we love. At my house we hug. At my house we play and good on the rug. At my house we eat. At my house we sleep. At my house we walk with no shoes on our feet, yes? Please repeat after me, my dears. At my house we love. At my house we hug. At my house we play and good on the rug. At my house we eat. At my house we sleep. At my house we walk with no shoes on our feet, yes? Okay, my dears, you must learn by heart these poems. Your homework is exercise 4 on page 187. Drive your favorite place and write about it. Okay, my dears? Drive your favorite place and write about it. You must write your homework is. Okay, my dears? Our lesson is over. Goodbye, my dears. Thank you for your attention.